The next minute could literally transform your life. As we move toward Valentine's Day, I want to share some ideas to help you enhance and improve your relationship. These ideas are taken from my book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better, and Make Love, Make Money, Make It Last. True intimacy in marriage goes far beyond romance. It includes truth and trust. Financial intimacy is emotional intimacy. When couples avoid money conversations, fear quickly fills the gap. Rich is good because it provides convenience and comfort, but wealthy is better because it creates confidence and connections. Relationship wealthy couples don't hide bank accounts or credit card balances or financial fears. No, they talk about them. See, money carries emotions. It carries childhood experiences, past mistakes, pain and fear. That's why silence about money often leads to misunderstanding. Valentine's Day reminds us to open our hearts and our communication. When couples talk honestly about money, walls come down and trust goes up. You don't have to agree on everything, but you must be willing to talk and communicate. It makes a difference. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Hey, go to jollymarriage.com. Watch our TED Talk, how we have helped couples to never argue again. We've been married for 40 years, haven't had an argument in 38 years. And you can get that at our TED Talk at jollymarriage.com on how to never ever argue again in marriage. Hey, make the most of this minute. Share this video with everybody in your network and on your social media. And remember to make the most of each and every minute, because your best is yet to come. Have a great day.